Let's make these cute little Easter eggs together. They're super fast, they're super fun. My kids love them. I am using cotton yarn and a 5mm hook, and you need some stuffing, and that's it. Let's boogie. Let's start with a slip stitch and chain 2 loosely. So 1, 2, and I say loosely because we're going to do 6 single crochets in that first chain, the second chain from the hook. So 6 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoop, tangled, 5, and 6. And then we start our increases. So the next row and every other row will be an increase. So we're starting with 6. We're going to do 2 stitches in each. So in each stitch will end up with 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And when we're not increasing, we're not in an increase row, the row afterwards will be an even single crochet round. So you can use stitch markers. I don't, because this one's a pretty quick pattern, but if you wanted to, that's where you would start to move them. So now 12 stitches even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're back to the top. Now we are going to increase again. So every row we increase, we're going to add 6 stitches. We're going to single crochet in the first stitch, just 1, and then 2 in the next stitch around. So 1 single crochet, 1, and do the next one, 2, 3. I'm going to do something like 18 stitches. That brings us back to the beginning. Single, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 double, 13 single, 14, and 15 in the double, 16 single, and then 17 and 18 double. Okay, back to the beginning. Starting to take its shape. Now we're going to do single crochet all the way around. Okay, that's through round 5. Now we're going to start round 6. Again, we're going to increase in this row. We're going to do a single crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochets after that. So single, single, double. Now, rows 7 to 10 are an even rows for 24 stitches around. That's the body of the egg, and we're done with the increases. Okay, here we go. Now we are going to start the decreases. This is after 4 even rows, and we are at round 11. We are going to single crochet in 2 stitches, over 2 stitches, single crochet 2 together rather, over 2 stitches, and then 2 single crochets. So in every decrease round, we're going to take 6 stitches out. So single crochet 2 together, and then 2 singles, single crochet 2 together, and we're going to do this all the way around, which will leave us with 18 stitches here. 2 together. So single crochet 2 together, 2 singles, 2 together, 2 singles, 1, 2 together, 2 singles, 1, and 2. So in this round, we're going to single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 together all around, and that'll take out another 6 stitches and leave us with 12. So a single, and then a single crochet 2 together, a single, and then a single crochet 2 together. I'm just gonna widen this a little bit. I have my filling. This is really the fun part because it is for sure the part where you get to see your little eggy coming together. And over stuff, you're almost actually, that was pretty good. And that's it. We only have one more row, and then we're going to sew it closed. So from here, we're just going to single crochet 2 together. We have 12 stitches. We'll just give it a little bit more of a taper, and then we'll sew it shut. So single crochet, hold the stuffing back. It's kind of tough when you get the stuffing stuck in your stitches, but single crochet 2 together. You'll end up with 10 stitches, or sorry, you'll end up with 6 stitches, just the way we started. And that's it. Clean it off. Let's tie it down. And then I'm going to just weave it through. And that's it. There's our little leggy. They're so cute and easy to make. I put polka dots on these ones for the full pattern, including how to make the polka dots and attach them. Check out the links. Thanks.